Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Robinhood or J.P. Morgan self-directed investing. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better because both are great to use. But they are totally different, and I will tell you on 5 topics today which are the differences. Then after those differences, you can decide by yourself which platform fits you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus. And the main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. The main focus on J.P. Morgan is self-directed investing with banking integration. If you look right here to the best 4, Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and J.P. Morgan is the best for long-term investors and chase customers. If you go to trading tools, Robinhood has basic charts and trading tools, and J.P. Morgan has research tools, screeners, and portfolio insights. If you look to the interface, Robinhood has extremely simple and beginner-friendly interface, and J.P. Morgan has a clean and integrated with Chase accounts interface. Then if you look to fees and trading costs, Robinhood has a commission-free trading and J.P. Morgan has a commission-free stock and ETF trading. So if you ask me, many investors use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETF, options trading and beginner-friendly investing, and many investors use J.P. Morgan self-directed investing when you want to do on long-term investing, retirement accounts, research tools, and seamless Chase integration. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.